How can you get Cyberpunk 2077 Cyberware? In the world of gaming, Cyberpunk 2077 has made waves, especially with its recent launch on the Nintendo Switch 2. Players are buzzing with excitement, eager to enhance their characters with cyberware. If you are one of those players wondering how to get your hands on this powerful technology, you are in the right place. Cyberware can significantly improve your character's abilities, health, and combat skills. Here's how you can acquire it in the game. First, you will want to visit Ripperdocs. These specialized vendors are scattered throughout Night City. They offer a variety of cyberware, ranging from basic implants to more advanced upgrades. You can find them in different districts, so keep an eye out as you explore. Next, completing quests and missions is another way to earn unique cyberware items. Many quests involve helping non-playable characters or accomplishing specific tasks. By finishing these missions, you can unlock special implants that enhance your gameplay experience. Additionally, some vendors in Night City also sell cyberware. These vendors operate in various locations, and you can purchase items using in-game currency. Be sure to check their inventories regularly, as they may have different items available. If you enjoy crafting, you can create your own cyberware. This option requires certain crafting skills and materials. Crafting allows for customization and can save you some in-game currency. It is a great way to tailor your character's enhancements to your playstyle. For players on personal computers, mods like the Dark Future mod can introduce new cyberware options and gameplay mechanics. However, keep in mind that these mods are not available on the Nintendo Switch 2, so console players will need to rely on the in-game options. Remember that installing cyberware requires a certain amount of in-game currency and sometimes specific skills or attributes. Always check that you have enough space in your cyberdeck to install new cyberware. With these tips, you will be well on your way to enhancing your character in Cyberpunk 2077.